Hello, hello, hello. Welcome yet again. Here we are, Monday evening on Twitch, streaming on the internet to random people. I don't know what else to say. I'm still very tired from Friday, chat. I'm very sorry. I'm not sorry that Ian, that you farted and that you're here. Congratulations, Steffi. Hey, TD. 5 months, holy smokes, my man. My man. Thank you very much, TD. I was saying congratulations to Steffi for being first. Officially first. Kappa. Trevor, welcome in. Tackling the important questions. Indeed. Can we solve advent of code with SQL? It's been a while since we've done SQL. We've been stuck for so long in the world of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS that I've been missing. I've been missing the SQL. So actually, I write SQL a lot during the day, but not on stream. And so why would I say no to spending more time writing SQL on stream? PD, thank you so much for that. 5 months, that is truly, truly amazing. Yost, welcome back. Where's your ice cream, my friend? Or is that only for Fridays? Or do you also take ice cream on Monday evenings? Good to hear that your Wi-Fi is back. What about your wife? That wasn't that great. Steffi, do I even know SQL? I guess we're going to find out. I'd like to think that I do, but I don't know. I don't know. Ian, is that reference to a shitty joke? For those who don't know what advent of code is, advent of code is a... Whew, that's fun. Pretzel Rock just got auto-modded. I think I'll allow it. Yo says, too lazy for ice cream, just got back from waiting in line 4 hours to get my booster shot. Yikes. That's a long time. That's a really long time. Let's drop in the meantime while we're getting started. Oh, that's interesting. I see drop, but I don't see the game. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Refresh the source. The one thing I did not check before stream. Oh. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. I checked the box last time, which I probably shouldn't have. Oh boy. That's awesome. So we'll start stream out by breaking things. Why not? Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's break everything. Can we end the stream now? Do you have enough points to end the stream? It's 100k. Do you have enough points to end the stream, TD? Because if you have enough points, you can do it. Everyone will be angry at you, I guess, but you can do it. You got a sub here? Ew. I'm also not very happy about that sponge. It wasn't my fault. Somebody gifted it. I'm sorry. Pixel plush. We have to refresh the drop game. You're a third of the way there. That's pretty good. I don't know what happened. I was doing a winter theme. I don't know, winter theme. SQL to solve advent of code. Whoever gave you that idea. Ooh, I don't know. I mean, I saw it somewhere, but I don't think anyone in particular really gave me the idea. Right? I wonder who it could have been. It was probably the chaos at the end of the stream Friday with gift subs being thrown around everywhere. That was truly madness. I have not seen a gift sub train. I mean, that level 5 hype train was like ridiculous. Let me go back and look. It was level 5 hype train, 35 gift subs, and 1,532 bits. That is truly bonkers. Let me just copy this. Let me go here, browser, blah blah blah. Copy that, use custom frame rate, refresh browser when scene becomes active. Okay, can someone type drop? I am not winking to myself. I am winking to Sponge because actually Sponge gave me the idea. I originally didn't want to do Advent of Code. Hey, so it doesn't work. Okay, I have to authenticate again. Come on, Pixel Plush. Why did they like de-auth me? Awful. Grant Twitch permissions, blah, blah, blah. Okay. 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 Refresh. Please. Please. For God's sakes. This is just madness. I did not change my password or anything. But of course, we're streaming, so something will go wrong. It's a given. We cannot stream without something going wrong. It's not possible to be a Twitch streamer and have nothing go wrong. Simple. Could someone else try drop? Because mine always spams chat with my digital friends that I got courtesy of Surly Dev. It would be nice. It should be okay now because I'm authenticated. I hope. I hope. Otherwise we will have no drop game today. But don't worry. Don't worry. We have another game we can play, chat. Apparently everybody is on the hype. Hey! Nice. That is a lot of drops. They are real people. They're just digital. This should work now then. Yay! Fixed. Wonderful. And we're back. So chat, now that that's done, now that that's out of the way, what is Advent of Code? I actually didn't know what Advent of Code was until this year. I'd never heard of it before. Probably because I'm lame and I don't do these kinds of things normally. But Advent of Code is actually pretty interesting. It's a coding challenge spread over 24 days. Or 25, I should say. 25 challenges that can be done apparently in any programming language. Now, SQL is a programming language, so logic stands that we should be able to do it in SQL, right? See, the thing is that like we have to put the data somewhere. So I'll get to that in a second. There's like leaderboards and all this kind of blah blah blah. I don't give a crap about that, chat. So Steffi's done AoC 5 years ago once. The whole thing? 'Cause I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm just gonna start with day one and we'll see. I have no idea how hard it is. I also have like very little time to do these. I don't get paid by work to do them. So, you know, there's that. But let's see. I mean, maybe it's easy. Oh, you did the whole thing. Wow. Sponge, catch you later, friend. Toodle pip. And so, let's get started then. There are, oh, before I forget, there are 2 new channel point redemptions. If you are rich enough, you can certainly end stream for 100,000 channel points. You can definitely do that. I wouldn't advise it. I wouldn't advise it, but it's totally up to you if you have 100,000 channel points. That means that you are a very dedicated viewer. Let's just put it that way, right? Because a sub earns something like 220 times 1.4 plus bonuses. A sub's probably getting somewhere between like 400 and 500 channel points per hour, which means 100,000 channel points divided by, let's say, best case scenario, 500 channel points per hour would be 200 hours of my streams. And if each stream is on average, let's say 3 hours, that means someone will have watched 66 of my streams. And T. Drayson, yes, Steffi is probably the only one rich enough, but Steffi spent the money on the bunny suit. Yost is saving up to highlight your message. Wow, that's terrifying. That's truly terrifying. I mean, we can definitely run a prediction and you can go all in, Yost, and see, you can get a little bit closer to that 1 million mark if you'd really like. Oh no, the giveaway is not on today. No, I can't do that. I'm not doing the giveaway again. That was only last week. No. Can we do a prediction? I don't have a giveaway, but White Panther probably has a giveaway. Chatbot, check commands, custom commands. Oh, maybe it's on a timer. I think it's on a timer. Timers. Oh, come on. Thanks, Ian. I'm turning off the award as well because it's a bit silly. Okay. Yeah. Just do it. I turned on the hip-hop playlist today. It's kind of cool, actually. Today, T. Drayson, you are going to be calling me Maddie to choose. Oh, that's very fitting. I'm probably going to have to choose a lot of things today. I don't know what yet, but I'm probably going to have to choose things. Today, overall, was a pretty good day. How did everybody start their week? I had a very good start to my week because one of my meals on Cookieat sold to someone nearby, and it sold last week, and so I cooked lunch today for one of my neighbors, which is actually pretty cool. That's my startup, by the way, because I don't get to plug it enough. But yeah, basically making home cooked food available to everybody. So that was really nice. That was super cool. To choose to end the stream, I hope you don't choose to end the stream, TD. That would be a shame, wouldn't it? Then I'd have to just go off and play video games the rest of the evening. You wouldn't want that, would you? Yeah, so I set some stuff up already, as you can see. I have a Git repository set up for Advent of Code 2021. Obviously, I'm being very optimistic. I didn't just call it Advent of Code and just have all the years in there. I'm being very optimistic and calling it 2021 as if I'm gonna do other years as well. I've already gone and looked at the first challenge, kind of, sort of read it. What we also need to do is we need to create an empty SQL file in our repo, because then I can use it here in my database. I need to import the data as well. So there's a README, that's great. Let's make a new folder called day one. And in day one, I shall put a empty file. What was the thing for New file. I know directory is mkdir. Is it just touch? No, that was something else. What was new file terminal? New file terminal. Touch. Yeah, it is touch. So if I do touch day1.sql, do I even need folders then? Maybe I don't. Maybe that's silly. Maybe that's a bit silly to have folders. I can just do SQL files. Oh, that's in the trash now. Great. Wow. Where did I go? Where did we go? Advent of code. There we go. So let's touch day1.sql. Nice. And then we just drag this over here. And then all I have to do is say this is Postgres. Oh, actually, I could always change. I could do like this. That's good. And then I have to say where I'm connected to. Postgres localhost. Whatever. Default. Postgres advent of code. All right. So let's test here. First, we have to understand the exercise, but we should import the data too. So day one. Does anyone like the music? I think it's pretty good actually. I didn't really know what to expect from the hip hop playlist from Pretzel, but it's actually pretty good. So you're minding your own business on a ship at sea when the overboard alarm goes off. You rush to see if you can help. Apparently, one of the elves tripped and accidentally sent the sleigh keys flying into the ocean. Oh no. Ooh dear. Okay. Before you know it, you're inside a submarine. The elves keep ready for situations. It's covered in Christmas lights and even has an experimental antenna that you should be able to track the keys if you can boost its signal strength. There's a little meter that indicates the antenna's signal strength by displaying 0 to 50 stars. I think the yellow highlighted stuff is important. Your instincts tell you that in order to save Christmas, you'll need to get all 50 stars by December 25th. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day in the calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Oh, so there's 2 stars per day. Okay. As the submarine drops below the surface, it automatically performs a sonar sweep of the nearby sea floor. On a small screen, the sonar sweep report your puzzle input appears. Each line is a measurement of the seafloor depth. So it goes from easy to hard, right? So this is like should be a very easy one to solve. So I have the following report, for example. This report indicates that scanning outward from the submarine, the sonar sweep found depths of 199, 200, 208, 210, so on. The first order of business is to figure out how quickly the depth increases, just so you know what you're dealing with. You never know if the keys will get carried into deeper water by an ocean current or a fish or something. So count the number of items a depth measurement increases from the previous measurement. There's no measurement before the first measurement. In the example above, the changes are as follows. 199, NA, no previous measurement. 200, 208, blah, 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 increase, 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 decreased, increase, 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 decreased. In this example, there are 7 measurements that are larger than the previous measurement. How many measurements are larger than the previous measurement? Okay. So, get your puzzle input leads to this page. Oh, sorry, light mode. This is the file that we need. Or this is the input, I would say. And it's obviously too large for us to manually scan. That's why we're doing it with code. So I think we could probably create a new table. Maybe we can do it with data. Maybe we can do create table as... I have to look up the syntax for these. I never remember it. Create table as... Yeah, I want the alias. Or you know what? There's an easier way. If I... Can I download this? I could probably save this. Yeah, that's probably easier. Let's do it this way. So we'll go advent of code. We'll do new... Where is it? Import data from file. Okay. Downloads. Hey, is chat working? I only see Pretzel writing in chat. It's a bit strange. I feel like chat's not working. Or it's very quiet today, which is also possible. Everybody's just lurking. Somebody say something! Okay, Steffi, it's quiet. That's fine. Okay, before we really get started, I'm gonna run the Twitch ad. So for anyone who's not subbed, tell me what ad you get. I'm curious. It's just 30 seconds, so don't worry. Just get rid of day one. We want to import day one. We're gonna call this column measurement. It's an int. Okay, 2000 rows. Wonderful. So now we have this select star from Lurky McLurkerson. I have a little spy tool at my disposal to see who's around. Day one. Yep, that works great. I'll actually get rid of the terminal for now. We don't really need that yet, I guess. For now, I'll just add it for now. All right, so we have a measurement. So it wants to know how many measurements are larger than the previous measurement. This is quite easy, actually. We do lag measurement over. I'll remove this as well. Over. Great Twitch. Now the player froze after the ad, so I had to reload and get the same ad again. Nicholas 1994 Estival, thank you very much for the follow and welcome, my friend. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Wow, stream elements, that is so profound. That is like, bruh. That is so deep. It's so deep I can't even hear you. Really. That's actually one of these kind of moments.
Wow. That really blew my mind. Like, I have goosebumps.
Totally. Incredibly mind blown. I'm very sorry, Steffi, that you are getting the same ad again. Which ad is it though? Maybe it's a good one. Thanks, keep up the good work. I haven't done much yet, but thank you. Just doing the first one. Just doing the first one for now. So lag measurement over, and then we're gonna do order by, I mean, we shouldn't order it by anything. Yeah. So basically what we do is now we do a case when lag measurement blah 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 is greater than measurement. This is going to be very annoying. Hold on, I need to flip these around. It's going to be easier. Oh, and Docker's not ejected. Go away, Docker. Docker decided to kill itself earlier. I'm gonna say figure out how many rows. Maybe I should just copy the question here. It was an ad for a cooking duel the Aldi gaming channel is doing for Christmas, apparently. Interesting. Interesting. I didn't even know that Aldi is doing gaming. it's a bit strange. So, case when lag measurement over measurement So when lag measurement is greater than measurement, then increased, else decreased, and as... Sorry, it's very hard to read this with this here. 1 second. I know it's a bit fiddly. Or maybe we can make this smaller? Like this? I don't have so much real estate. Okay, so case when lag measurement over measurement is greater than and as, I don't know, day lag. So is lag correct? Decreased. Really? Hold on a second. They are, but only for games that cost under 10 euros. This is deceptively easy, which makes it difficult. Count the number of times the depth measurement increases from the previous measurement. That's very strange. I'm gonna call this lag. So the first one is null. So when lag measurement is null, then NA. Okay. Now it's correct. Increased. Yeah, okay. It's correct. Weird. It is correct. So we have the measurement. So we have measurement. Can probably do this again. When lag measurement is null, then NA. When lag measurement is smaller than the measurement, then increased. So when lag goes up 1 row, right? Lead would go down 1 row. But we're going up to compare to the previous day. We're not looking forward to the next day, if that makes sense. End is day lag. So we'll call this... you know what? We're not gonna make this a CTE. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy to make this a CTE. That formatting was actually not bad, but I prefer like this. And this is gonna be called as lag calc. And then we're gonna do select star from that, which is basically count, or we'll do day lag count distinct. Ooh, actually, how many times each of them occur? Oh, we don't want them distinctly as lag type count. I don't know. I don't have a good word for this. Naming stuff is hard, chat. Don't ride on me for this. Okay. Let's make nice formatting. Then execution. Day lag. Oh, I forgot my group by already. First exercise. Okay. Nice tune. So we have 1,167 increases, 832 decreases, and 1 NA, which was the first one. Also, the claw thing is probably blocking that a little bit up here, but that's okay. Nicholas, how did you find my stream, by the way? I'm curious if you're still watching. Or I could just call you Nick, if that's okay. A bit shorter for me to say. So the first answer would be 1167. Is it correct? Let's find out. That's the right answer. Oh, no way. First try. First try. Nice. That is actually very cool. That I got this one right. You had a project at Penta. Ah, wonderful. Very cool. That's okay. So we've generated at least one follow out of my day job. At least if it was a temporary day job. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So we got 1 gold star. Now there's a part 2. All right. So this is the first part of the query. How many measurements are larger than the previous measurement? We'll do 1167 increased. I'll even write the answer here. Decreased 832. It's funny because the this is like, normally we would use SQL to like do more of like an analysis use case, and this is kind of a funny situation where it's like this is like solving a problem where I would say like normally in SQL we don't really do that. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. So the second part is, how many sums are larger than the previous sum? So I'm going to cheat by taking my first query, most definitely, that I already prepared, because it's probably going to be useful. So we have a measurement. Every single measurement isn't as useful as you expected. There's too much noise. Instead, consider sums of a 3 measurement sliding window. Okay. So what we're going to do is do we can use, I'm going to have to retype this, the formatting is off. We're going to do, so lag measurement like that, we have to actually name it as lag. Now, if we wanted to sum 3 days worth of lag together, we could do, oh, hold on, there's more. I need to read more. Okay, so consider sums of a 3 measurement sliding window. Start by comparing the first and second 3 measurement. Steffi says reusing the parts of the first part of this in the second part is not cheating. It's kind of expected, as the second part usually builds onto the first. Oh yeah, well, even if it was cheating, it's still expected. I would say you're right though. They probably build on each other. So start by comparing the first and second 3 measurement windows. Their measurements in the first window are marked 199, 200, 208. Their sum is 607. That would be here. 607. The second window is marked B. 200, 208, 210. Their sum is 618. The sum of the measurements in the second window is larger than the sum of the first, so this comparison is increased. Ah, yeah, okay. So there's a couple ways to do this, because the Postgres lag function allows you to get between. So if you do Postgres lag multiple rows, there's a there's an offset. Lag can only return one. What was the function? I mean, we can use 3 lags, but that's very inefficient. Multiple rows. I want to know if there is a way to get... Hey, Flyboy! SQL, why not? Indeed. Were you the one asking Flyboy last time about doing advent of code? Specifies a row number that comes before the current row. You know what? It's fine. We'll just do it inefficiently. Probably absinthe. Could have been absinthe. Yeah. Maybe I confused the two of you. How you doing today, Flyboy? Mitch not around? Mitch not streaming at the moment? I actually don't know if Mitch is online. Is Mitch online? I would have expected you to be in Mitch's stream. No. Doesn't look like it. Oh, I got a notification. Achievement completed. The Empire business. Really? What achievement is this, chat? The Empire business. Stream for 250 hours. Whoa! Wow. Okay. That's big. Okay. 250 hours. Ugh. Creative directory. What is this? Okay. Flyboy, Not Bad just had a review and a promotion. Congrats, Flyboy! That's awesome. Everybody congratulate Flyboy for a review and promotion. That's amazing. Good job. Good job. What's your new title? Super Flyboy. 69. So, okay, we're gonna do lag measurement. What was the offset? I forget the offset. Offset. Hello. Lag expression, comma, offset. Please show me the offset. I forget where it goes. Lag? Yeah, it's just comma. Okay. So if I do 1... 250 hour FCC stream? No. No. That's literally the entire time I have streamed since I started streaming last year, Yost. That would be madness. Absolute madness. And actually, that's crazy when you think about that. Ludwig streamed every day for a month. And that is 720 hours. Okay, he also slept in there. But, I mean, that's 3 times that. So Ludwig streamed in 1 month what I've streamed in a year. He also probably makes... He probably only... Well, not anymore. He's on Twitch. He's on YouTube now, but... What am I trying to do in SQL? I'm trying to solve advent of code. So this first challenge is figuring out measurements. So I got a gold star already. And now... I want to see something again. So... lag from 1 day would be like that. Do I need the over? Yeah, I do need the over clause. So what I can do is do lag measurement 1. This is the cheap way. Plus lag measurement 2. Plus lag measurement 3 as 3. Oh, I can't do that. Day 3-day lag. 3 day, some 3 days. So you see here, 420 is from the previous 3 days. 1, 2, 3, boom, 420. So is that correct? There's a measurement here that's like 199. Aha, they've jumbled it up. Hey, Jibbo! Welcome in, friend. So in a case like this where there's pluses, what I actually would do is do like this. I would actually indent them. It's a bit weird, but there isn't, yeah. Yeah, I can write 3 in the beginning. But if I do sum in the beginning, then I can shorten it. So the sum of 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That makes sense. You're crazy to do it with SQL. Why? Why is everybody saying that? Someone at work told me the same thing today. They said, what? Advent of code with SQL? You crazy, man. You crazy. I'm imitating. That wasn't actually their accent. But yeah, I think it's totally possible. I mean, the dude is writing on the thing. Let me just say, okay? Can be, so a variety of skill sets and skill levels that can be solved in any programming language you like. He says so. He says it's possible. So, you know. So now we have the sum of 3 days. Now what? I even, like, I logged out and everything. I logged in, I did my OAuth and everything. Have you been working on it, Jibbo? I don't have any time during the day. I just want to do it in the evening, just as like a fun thing. I don't even know if I'll do it past today. I just wanted to try, okay? Don't be so harsh on me. Start by comparing the person's second, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so its sum is 618. The sum of the measurements in the second window is larger than the sum of the first. So this first comparison increased. I'll be back. macOS update takes all of your internet connection. Okay, so basically, now we have to look at whether these are increasing or not. Fine. So this is the sum of 3 days. Let's borrow this. By borrow, I mean steal my own code, obviously. Case when, come on, let's try and actually do this properly here, so it looks good. It has to look good, otherwise it's not real. Oh wow, this is like, this is so broken. Not happy with the formatting, but it's fine. It's not stealing, it's importing. I mean, I wrote this before, so I can do whatever I want with it. My house, my rules. What should I do here? When some 3 days, I won't be able to use this yet, will I? That's what I thought. This time I'm gonna do a CTE just to be clean. With data frame as, and I don't want it to auto format because that broke things last time. Sorry, cough. Select star from data frame. Okay, I want to do case when some 3 days is null. That's correct. When some 3 days is greater than the... Hold on. Count the number of times the sum of the measurements in this sliding window increases from the previous sum. So compare A with B, then compare B with C, and C with D, and so on. So I need to go again over the previous value. So basically we need to do like this. When lag some 3 days. Ooh, wait, we can't compare. We can't compare. We again have to do the same thing. We have to look at the previous value. So when the lag of the sum 3 days, so one row up, the previous value is null, then NA. If the previous value is again smaller than sum 3 days, that's the current row value, then increased. Else, and we're going to call it 3-day lag as Flyboy's suggestion. So these are NA. NA because there's no previous value. 437 is bigger than 420. Increase, 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 decreased. 500 is smaller than 504. Moving window. All right. Consider sums of a 3-measurement sliding window. How many sums are larger than the previous sum? So this is the 3-day lag. So we're gonna make another CTE just for tidiness. We're gonna do 3-day lag as. Don't do that for me. I can do it on my own. Very much. Thank you. Select star from 3-day lag. I should probably call it 3-day lag calc. Calc. So we want to do measurement, sum 3 days, 3-day lag. Oh, we just need to count it, right? As 3-day lag count. Take these two out. And we will not forget the group by this time. Chat, group by 1, order by 2, descending. Is advent of code using SQL? Nice. Thank you, Sociable Steve. Welcome in, my friend. Seriously, I need to change that on my stream deck. Steve, welcome in. Squishy Steve. So this is the count now. Let me just put this in here. So we'll do increased, decreased. I'm just logging the results here just so we have it. Ah, no, you know what? I shouldn't do that. If I do that, then someone could just look at the answers without doing my code. Like they could just pull the answers from GitHub publicly and get 50 stars if I make it the whole way through. So I shouldn't put the answers as part of the query. Definitely not. You are Squishy Steve. How did I know? Wild guess. So the answer is, how many sums are larger than the previous one? It should be 1129. Oh, your answer is too low. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Oh. Hey, UK. I smelled a little raid. I smelled a raid. Hello, Bleachin. Hello, Mike. UK. I'll give you a minute. Oh, an itty bitty raid. Hey, it's still a raid, my friend. Thank you very much. For those of you who do not know Mike, another fellow Claw streamer. What do I mean by Claw? That's our Discord community and stream team, the Claw. broke things. I was wondering what you were doing on your stream. You were last streaming. It's been a while. Let's mess with overlays and chat. And of course, you broke stuff. I got the wrong answer on my Advent of Code second part. Oh, OBS broke. Ouch. So what's the issue here? I think it's the count. It's too low. But that's very strange. What am I making a mistake here? Where am I? Well, I am making a mistake, but where am I making a mistake? So basically, this is the sliding window. 199, 200, 208 would have a total. 200, 208, 210 would have a total. So these three have this total. These three have this total. These three have this total. Or is it... wait a second. I think I did the offset wrong because I did 1, 2, 3. I should do 0 offset. 0 offset because it's already starting with 1. That's the problem. And then when I do this one, I need to do 0 offset. Like up here. If I add the offset, it adds an additional row. Disappointed! Oh, UK. Best way to learn. Break things and fix things. So my answer was too low before. 1128. That's not correct. No, my answer is too low. Too low. I need to check the numbers. Why are you disappointed, UK? So 130 plus 142 plus 148 is 420. So that's not correct. That is not the correct 3-day sum. You're disappointed that you broke OBS. So this is not the correct lag. Maybe it's going the wrong way. Maybe it's going the wrong way. Maybe we should start here. So if we do... Okay. This should be... This should be... Is it going down? Hold on a second. Oh, that's interesting. Why is this exactly the same? What? That's interesting. So the standard offset is already 1? I didn't know that. Oops. 3. So what I'm looking at is 130, 130, 130. I'm doing the wrong problem. Or not? The sum of these three would be correct. So the sum of these three should be 420. Should be 420. So if I do 2 and then 3. Yeah, so that's correct. Wait, do they include the current row? Wait, do they include the current row? Oh, there's no lag in the first count. Okay, that's the problem. The first one is actually just measurement. That's why. The first one should be measurement. That's the problem. I'm doing a lag function when I don't need to. Basically. So this is 419, which is the sum of these three. 130 plus 142 plus 148 is 420. What? This is very confusing. 140, oops, I don't want to submit that. 142 plus 148 plus 147 is 437. Huh? What the? These are meant to be easy on the first day, right? This doesn't make sense. This plus this plus this should be this. 142. Oh, wait a second. There's no 3-day lag here. Is there? Where does the 147 come from? And the 148 go between 3 and 4. What I don't get... The 147 is the measurement. We've been supplied with this data on the left. I'm doing these. I don't want these in here, actually. Basically, this should be the total of these three, but it's not. 142 plus 148 plus 147 is 437. So there's something wrong here. And that's why I'm trying to figure out what that is. It doesn't make any sense to me, but let's try. So it's basically adding these three together. $147 plus $142 plus $130 is $419. Yeah. But it's gone too far up. It's missed the 148. So what we're doing is 1 and then 2. Maybe it was correct. Yeah, so it should be 1 and 2. It should be like this. That's what I had before, I thought. Ah, no, I had measurement 1, 2, 3. Maybe that was the issue. Let's try this again. So if I take this out, is the answer any different? Ah, 1130. Yeah, I think this is right now. Because I was using lag incorrectly. So let's check. 1130. This should be correct now. Yes! Oh! I'm not a huge fan of lag functions. Just FYI. So yeah, that's how we do that. That's how we roll. You can share this victory or return.
We're going outside!
To get snow. Woo! Let's see if someone can land 100. Share on... Oh, I can share this. I don't want to share this. Let's return to the calendar. So we've done 1, which means we need to submit our code also. Because, you know, that's how I roll. Obviously. So we'll do git status, git add dot Git commit. What am I going to write as a commit message? Day 1 complete. Whatever. Only one person gets to rig the game. Oops. What did I do? Git push set upstream origin day 1. Some weird formatting stuff here. Yep. Git checkout main. Now if we go back to our files, we'll see that advent of code. We should probably update the readme. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Should we go merge it? Or should we merge them later? It doesn't really matter, I guess. Day 2. Touch day 2.sql. Beautiful. Let's check out the second day. Okay, so I need to get my puzzle input again. Ooh. Oh yeah, we did this last time. We just saved it. Hello, Alan! How are you, my friend? Good to see you. I'm doing some SQL for a change. It's kind of cool, actually. Day 2. Postgres default session. Schema, Postgres, advent of code. Okay. Crazy SQL boy! Hello again, Jibbo. Welcome back in. Day 1 is complete. Day 1 is complete. Let's actually push it. Why not? Howdy, howdy. Doing good. How it goes on your side with the SQL? I mean, day 1's done, so going well so far, I think. You don't remember day 2? Well, I mean, I think it should be fine. Let's see. It's forward 5, down 5, forward 8. This will be interesting. This will be interesting. Now you need to figure out how to pilot this thing. So we gotta definitely import some stuff. Tables, new. Let's do import data from file. Day 2. Plain text, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's just one column anyway. And we will call it, what are these called? Directions? Commands? Command. Import. All right. So, chat, let's see if we can do this. All right, we have a command. Just like on day 1, we have a measurement, and now we have a command. So, I need to figure out how to pilot my submarine. Oh, before we start this, I'm going to take a short breaky break. I know that TD wanted me to run a prediction because TD wants to earn channel points. Does anyone want to earn channel points? I can run a prediction before we show Fiona in the bunny room. We can definitely run a prediction. Okay. UK Mad says yes. All right. So let's do rain those coins. Predict. Shun. Give me a start prediction thing. Oh gosh, I wanna, sorry, this is too small here. Prediction and then open in a thing. Here we go. Okay, so start a prediction. Will Fiona be will she be, I don't know, what should we do? Toilet, couch, in frame. I have no idea where she is right now. I think we'll do couch. Maybe couch is a good one. I don't know what we did last time. I think we did couch last time, but we can do couch again. Why not? Will Fiona be on the couch? Fiona is our 6 kilo large bunny rabbit. She has her own room with a couch in it. Couch is pretty big. It's a human-sized couch. Will she be on the couch when we open the break screen? So on my Be Right Back screen, there's a webcam with Fiona. So far, 100% in 500 shoes in yes. Steve says yes. Who else says yes? I see some no's coming in here. 80-20. 76-24. Okay. Of course, if the odds are in your favor, you stand to win more channel points. So here it's 1.128 and here it's 1.455. So for every channel point, you will get 4.55 channel points if you say no. I said, good day, sir. Good day, Alan. Did we not say hello? I thought I said hello to you, Alan. Pretty sure I said hello. This is a very groovy hip-hop chat. Really, really like it. It's a good playlist. Who knew Pretzel could come through? Oh, wow, 90% yes. You did, I was just riffing on the folks saying yes. Wonderful. Riffing is always good. Oh, just a few seconds left to vote, chat. There's like 13 or 33 of you here, depending which number you want to believe from Twitch. So I'm gonna get rid of the terminal. Will Fiona be on the couch? My UI is borked, it won't let me vote. Oh, I'm sorry. Flyboy is not gonna vote. You don't want to waste any channel points or risk. You're too cool. Oh my gosh. Well, chat, the time has run out and I shall already pop the camera. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The answer is, oh yes, the answer is yes. She is indeed on the couch. Choose outcome. Yes. Complete prediction. 1.11. For those of you who submitted channel points in no, I am very sorry. I am very, very sorry. I will be back very shortly. Now you can look at Fifi a little bit longer. Be right back. This scene.
Wow.
Hey, chat. Well, I'm sorry, Jibo, that you lost all your points again. One day you'll get lucky, for sure. I believe in you. I believe in you. Bunny right back. I don't know. Itsy B, thank you very much for the follow. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. Stream Elements, you are hilarious. Hilarious. We are on day 2 of Advent of Code. And no one has redeemed words on stream. Where's Panther when you need Panther? Why isn't Panther here? Because she would have redeemed it by now. But that's fine. I'm happy to also just keep doing these challenges. We'll see how far we get. So day 2. This is what the data looks like. We have these commands. I imported them in the same order they were given to us. So we are on a submarine. It can take a series of commands. Ooh, social with Steve. Cool, gang. What, how cool do you want me to be? I could be very cool. Seeing as this is like a hip-hop track playlist, I think I should play... Oh, snap. Boo! Well, I guess we're not starting with day 2 just yet, chat, because UK has redeemed words on stream. Okay, I guess we're playing words on stream. So, words on stream, interact with Twitch. Salma's missing this. It's true. I'm gonna turn off autopilot. So listen, chat, this is how we play. It's very simple. You type the words in chat that you see in the anagram. There will be tons of jumbled letters. Our record is level 18. We need to beat Salma's record. Alan has already started. Words. Hey, Jay Walter. Welcome in. Jay Walter is a friend of the Claw. Actually, there's quite a few people here who are friends of the Claw. We have other friends of the Claw as well. Alan is also a friend of the Claw. So, working on my website, putting stuff back in place after a change to Next MDX Remote. I think that was a while back. Alright, so, words on stream. Interact. Is everybody ready? I want to see ready in chat. No, we didn't manage 22 on mine. 22 was on Salma's. This is like, it's per Twitch user. We didn't do 22, no. Okay, everybody's ready. Let's go. Lego. Only 4-letter words, obviously. Only 4 letters. No 3-letter words. Hey, Cottage, Jay Walter. You were complaining that it's in English? You're doing just fine. Well done. Chat, we need some more. We completed the level, but we keep going, keep going. Octet. There's plenty of C words here. Coat, gate, I don't know, gate, gate, no. There's a GA word that we don't have. Some kind of GA something. GAE. There's only 3 left. Just spam letters, chat. Just spam them. Toga! Nice. country, I believe. Oh boy. Everything is so yellow. I don't know. This should be the easiest level, but it's quite difficult. Tigo? No, it should be something with G. G-O... T? I don't know. I wish it would tell you what they were. Toga is a Roman robe. Oh. Isn't there a country called Toga? Taco. Was it Taco? Did we miss Taco again? Togo. Togo. Country is Tonga. Tonga is like a robe. Yep, my bad. My bad, chat. Alright, let's go. Oh, wow. 3 E's. Eminence. Wow, sociable Steve. I don't think that's one. I think it's Menace. I know one. I'm locked though. Yep. Thanks, Steve. I knew that one. I was locked. If you get locked, you have to wait till the lock disappears on the progress bar. Alan, if you have lag, you can just refresh Twitch browser. Simine, Nice. Nice. There's still a 6-letter hanging around there. What's the 6th letter? Iceman. Oh, Steve. Too many board games. Too many board games. There's a couple missing here. Too many crosswords. Lag in my brain. We'll try a refresh, aka coffee, to see if that helps. Yeah, go for it. Evening, Dex. Play a bit of words. Itsy B, nice. That's in there from Steve already. I thought there would be like an icy one. Imche? Imche? 9! Mean. M-I-E-N. Nice. Okay. Skip 3 levels again. Well done, chat. The ranking looks pretty good. Okay, let's continue on if everybody is ready. Wait for everyone to catch up. If anyone has like lag, now's the time to just hard reload. And Twitch will give you less lag. Hello, in the reds. Thank you for the follow. To love or have loved, that is enough. Ask nothing further. There is no other pearl to be found in the dark folds of life. That is a very interesting quote, Stream Elements. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Schmackada. There is a fake letter, chat. One of the letters is fake. One of the letters is fake. I don't know which one it is yet. Could be the I. I think the I might be fake. Someone try and make a ragged. Nice. Yep. I is fake, everybody. Good call. Reggae. I think that one has a weird spelling. But Reggie, no. We already made it, chat, but we keep going, keep powering through. We can go as many levels as much. No more 6-letter words. Yep. only 4-letter words now. Yep. I is fake, so we cannot use the I, by the way. I don't know if that's one. No, grad was already Steve's. There's a couple of D words in there, it looks like still. DR. DR or... Well, there can't be any others. D. H, I, J, K... No, I don't think... You can, but it's pointless. Yes, you can use the I, but there's no point. Exactly. Drag. Oh! Chat. Very well done. Oh, skip 3 levels again. Next level is level 10. That's very impressive. I'll give people a few seconds if they want to reload, if there's a bit of lag. If you're just joining in, we are playing Words on Stream. It was a redemption. UK Mad redeemed the channel point redemption. Therefore, we will play until we lose, which is 1 round. 3, 2, 1, let's go! We need a bot here that reads chat and then takes out the dupes in a display so you can hit them that way. Yeah, for sure. Okay, one of the letters is fake again. I'm guessing it's the C-H-O-R-E. It's the E which is fake. The E is definitely fake, so do not make any words with the E. Definitely get corn while I can. I don't know whatever else. No E words. Challenging. Nacho problem. Nacho problem. What about ranch? What about ranch? Hey, ranch is one. Nice. Okay, only 4-letter words left. So, no E words, Alan. Race is an E word. Arch. Okay. Ooh. Poor, but not that one. Arch. Nice. Arch. Arch nemesis. Definitely some N and O. Oh, there's... Okay, no more N ones. Only ones that start with O or later. Maybe roar. Roke. 2 4-letter words left. We're doing so well, chat. It's amazing. I'm really proud. There's going to be an ad as well now. I'm sorry. I'm going to let it run through before we start the next round. Hora. Okay. Three-level skip, chat. I'm very impressed. That's good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. So there's an ad running. I'm just going to wait for the ad to run through. Thank you very much, Twitch, for letting me know. It's very useful. A lot of people here are subbed, but still quite a few people not subbed. There is no spoon. We have a ranking. We have Sociable Steve with 170 stars. We have me with 48. Jay Walter with 40. So far this game. Not sub because I'm cool. Come on, Twitch. Start the ad or don't start the ad. There we go. Okay. So apparently the ad is running now. We should be good in about 20 seconds. Oh wait, this is looking at chat? What's looking at chat? I don't know what's looking at chat. Oh yeah, it's reading chat in order to know which words are being guessed. It's a direct Twitch integration. They have another game called Gardic Phone, which I've never played. Some people like that game. I was inputting it manually? Holy moly. I'm not that fast. You crazy? I ain't that fast. Alright, all the ad people, are you back from your ads? If you're back, let me know in chat by writing BBB. Triple B if you're back from ads. I need at least one back, then we know. One ad, AAA, BBB, let's go. Continue. BB. All right, so attention, there is a fake letter and there's also a hidden letter. We don't know what the hidden letter is unless someone makes a word that uses it. Helmet. The hidden letter is a H-E-L-M-E. Oh, it's a double E. It's a second E. Hidden letter is another E. So you can do something like meat now. Wow, we already got it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We can get all of them. So just 4-letter words. Theme was a good one. I think we can do this one. No. What is it? Heel? No. Heel? Ah, Steve got that one. V is the fake, by the way. Hilt. Oh, maybe it's with an I, you'd see. Might be with an I. Theme. There's an M one in there still. M-E-E-L. Meal. Melt. Something after metum? I have no idea. That's a weird one. M-E something something. M-E... Mete? Wow. Okay. There's one more. It's either an H or an M word. It's probably an H. Although it could be M-E-E-M? Meme? I don't know. Mem? Could be an H one as well, but it's unlikely. H-E-M-L? Hemel? Helm is already in there. Health? Heme! Good job, chat! 3 levels again. Wow. Okay, this is going to get very difficult again. There's going to be a fake letter, and there's going to be a hidden letter. I have no idea what heme is. A lot of these words, I have no idea what they are. The point of the game is to spam 4-letter combinations. So, that's basically the name of the game. Up next, level 16. Let's go! Okay, it's like Scrabble. Bianco? Bank coins? Coin? Caution! Jesus. Steve. Wow. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. That means the hidden letter is a T. Hidden letter is a T. And the fake letter is the B. So don't use the B. It's fake. Don't use the B. The B is cursed. But you can get a T. So C-O-U-T. Yep. Nice. Toucan. Nice, Steve. I think I did that one once. We can get the classics, I think. No? T-A... Oh, only 5-letter words. Sorry, only 5-letter words. Only from 5-letter. I'm not very good at reading while playing. Oh, tunic. That's a nice one. Why didn't that go through? Thanks, Steve. I think you were still locked. You can do another one. If someone sees someone who's locked, you can take their word, of course. Always. Oh, this is tight. We need to get 2 more. Definitely some 6-letter ones in there. There's no G. Oh. Close. Close, chat. That was close. Ah, so close. We were 4 points off or something. Congratulations to Steve for being 268 stars. It's quite impressive. I will reward. I don't know what the reward does. No idea what that does. Let's head back to the code. So, heme or hem is a precursor to hemoglobin, which is necessary to bind oxygen in the bloodstream. Wow. I think Steve might have been spamming. You said hemoglobin before. Absolutely. Yeah. Hemoglobin was definitely in there before. It's just a short. People in the industry, they say heme, you know? They don't say hemoglobin, they abbreviate it. Just like people don't say live streaming, they say streaming, right? People in the biz, they always use short forms, right, of everything. So, this track came up already at the beginning of the stream, but it's quite a good track. So if you weren't here, then streamer. So I need to figure out how to pilot the submarine. Forward X increases the horizontal position by X. Down X increases depth by X. Up X decreases depth by X. Decreases and increase. So since you're on a submarine, down and up affect your depth. They have the opposite of result of what you might expect. Marshall Mark, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Stream Elements being super wise as usual. I hope you are enjoying the stream so far. If you just got here, welcome in. Welcome in. I'm trying to solve Advent of Code using SQL. Probably not the easiest way to do it, to be fair, since SQL is pretty limiting. So let's see what happens. So forward 6 would do something. Your horizontal position and depth both start at 0. The steps above would then modify them as follows. Forward 5 adds 5 to your horizontal position, a total of 5. Down 5 adds 5 to your depth, resulting in a value of 5. Forward 8 adds 8 to your horizontal position for a total of 13. Oh wow, okay, this is going to be very interesting. Up 3 decreases your depth by 3, resulting in a value of 2. Down 8, forward 2. After following these instructions, you would have a horizontal position of 15, a depth of 10. Multiplying these together produces 150. Calculate the horizontal position and depth you would have after following the planned course. Oh wow. So let's do an exercise here. Let's do an exercise. Let's try where command like forward. Okay. So this is what they give us. I want to split these. Oh wait, what is the split thing in Postgres? I don't remember the function. Postgres string split. Split part, thank you. So we're going to use the split part function to basically split the command on the white space as command. Split part text unknown. Excuse me? String, oh right, I need the field number. So this is the command type. And then I can say that this is the command value. Hello? Oh wait, we have to put the question. I'm always putting the question, because I think it's cooler to put the question in. So select command 1 as command type and 2 as command value. All right, this is what I want. I want them separated out. So if I do this for all of these. Now, normally I would have to lag them by going to find the ones that are, because they're not in the right sequence, right? It's like forward, down, forward, down, forward, down, 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 forward, forward, down, down, down. But basically what we can do is we can actually split them. We could split them into 3 tables, or we could do a fun thing. We could do something more fun, which would be a case when. So case when command like forward. Do we have to actually know forward? Horizontal position and the depth of that. Forward, down, forward, up. Yeah, I need all 3 because I need to know depth as well. So when command like forward, then like this, surely it doesn't matter if you get to the same place. Yeah, so if I do split part command 2 like this, and then I'm gonna say end as forward, I just have to count them, but it's like command value. I'm wondering if I need 3. I could make 3 columns, I guess. Up and down definitely matters. Horizontal, you just have to add them. Maybe it's better to split 3 tables and then multiply at the end. I'm not sure. Everything starts at 0, which is fine. Well, let's try like this. So if this was forward, then command value. So this is forward value. Yeah, let's do it like this. Let's do like that. Let's make this easy. This is easier. I'm gonna do it this way. So basically, do like that. When you do like this, this is called forward value, which is null. Wow, that's... I need a wildcard in there. Yeah, there we go. So only in the case of forward. And then we just copy this. So we do, hold on, star. I want the original in there, so make sure I'm not making a mistake. Forward, up. So up value. You can even shorten this as a val. Or even forward. We could even just call it forward. Why not? Up. And then command like down. Then we call this down. So we do forward 6 is 6, up null, and then you hit down is 2, 8. Exactly. Now, because the other ones are null, we can just sum them. I think. Horizontal position and depth both start... Ah, wait. We have to do a negative of up, because up reduces depth, if I understand correctly. Down X increases depth, up decreases depth. So we could do negative. Negative, I need to cast this as an int. Okay, really? Again? Is this not on shuffle? I thought this was on shuffle. Let's make these all ints, because then I can add them together. Okay. So these are all integers now. Down adds, up subtracts. Exactly. Exactly. So we can do sum we exclude the original value, and then we do sum of this as up, and sum of this, so we do 1965 forward, up 958, and down, and then these we add together, right? Oof, come on. What? Okay. Plus. I can't have an alias here. And then we'll alias these two together. Sum blah 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 as depth. And this we will call as horizontal. What's it called? Horizontal position. Horizontal. Depth 1182. Oh wait, this is wrong. If down adds, why are you making the down the negative? Yep, that's the wrong one. I just realized. So depth, well, I mean, it's in the end, it's the same, no? In theory. Let's see if that's correct. 1965, and then multiply them by each other. So we do a bracket here and a bracket here, and we take out the alias, and then we do this times that as total. And it should be this number. Hey! First try! It's correct. I think this is actually a pretty good solution overall. I think it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, I'm happy with this. So that's day 2. Part 2. So part 1. Day 2, part 1. No, it's day 2, part 2. Which is... Let's see what that question is now. Based on your calculations, the planned course doesn't seem to make any sense. You find the submarine manual and discover that the process is actually slightly more complicated. Oh gosh. Okay. Again, the same question, but different constraints, I'm guessing. Okay, I need more screen real estate, chat. We're gonna go like this. Is anyone else working on Advent of Code at the same time? And please don't spoil these for me. If you do paste final solutions in SQL in chat, I will have no hesitation to time you out. Absinthe and Bitmasher. Cool. Cool. Fly, you're not doing them? It's not your kind of thing? This is the first year I'm doing these, so... I was gonna do some and then didn't. Fair enough, Steve. Fair enough. Part 2. Based on your calculations, you like real problems. I have enough real problems. That's the problem. So, I'll need to track a third value called aim, which starts at 0. The commands also mean something entirely different. Down X increases aim. up decreases aim, and forward does two things. Again, note, since that you're on a submarine, down and up do the opposite of what you might expect. Down means aiming in the positive direction. I got 99 problems and advent is none. Something like this. So forward 5 would add 5 to the horizontal position, a total of 5. Because your aim is 0, your depth does not change. Interesting. After following these new instructions, horizontal position of 15 and a depth of 60. Using these new interpretation of the commands, calculate the horizontal position and depth you would have after following the planned course. Oh wait. This is more tricky. We probably have to track each row separately first, rather than go straight to the solution like before. But we can definitely copy what we did before. Again, copying our old code is not a crime. And instead of so we need, okay, I'll have to calculate one data frame first, most probably. So I'm going to call this forward, then I'm going to take this one. I'll just retype it. So this is forward, and then we've got up, which negatives the depth, and then we have down. So this is up and down. Star. Yeah. So we have each command, but each row needs to track a separate value as well. So we need to have a case when here, probably again. Case when. What's the condition? Case when command is forward. Oh, we have to calculate aim first. Hold on. So down. So when command is down, increases your aim by X units. Then it will be this. So when command like down, then split part blah blah blah. Okay. End as aim. So down would increase aim by X units. Up would decrease aim. So we do the same thing here again, but we do command like up is negative split part. So here, up would go -8 on aim. Okay, and forward increases your horizontal position, but it increases depth by your aim multiplied by X. So we have to track a third value, I guess. Case when command like forward. I think I want to change music, chat. Let's change to EDM. Or maybe lo-fi? Maybe we should do lo-fi. I don't often play lo-fi, so. Lo-fi. Forward star. When command is like forward. then increases your depth by your aim multiplied by x. So we do aim times split part command times 2 int and as depth. Oh, aim doesn't exist at this point, right? Okay, 1 second. So we're gonna do nested case when. Is the aim cumulative? I've not done cumulative things in SQL for a while. It is cumulative, it seems. Down and up to the opposite. Blah blah blah. Decreases your aim, increases your aim. Yeah, it seems so. So what I'm gonna do is say this is my data frame. I want to be consistent across as many days as possible. So I'm going to try and name them all the same. If I can. I know I've probably already done something inconsistent. But that is such as life. Select star from data frame. I already know here that I'm now going to have another case when. And now... So now I have a depth. Oh, that doesn't work. Why does that not work? Aim times split part command. Aim is null. So here, for example, we have to run a window function. We have to track the aim. We have to track the aim over time as well in order to be able to calculate this. Because otherwise, if we don't track the aim, we can't calculate the depth. That's what I understand. So forward 8 adds 8 to your horizontal position, total of 13. Because your aim is 5, your depth increases by 8 times 5, which is 40. Up 3 decreases your aim by 3, resulting in a value of 2. Forward 2 adds 2 to horizontal position, 15, because your aim is 10. Yeah, we have to track aim. Your aim can never be null, basically. So the aim starts at 0. So we need to have an aim column. And then we need to... So we do... Oh, we need to do this a bit differently. We need to do this probably like this. I'm thinking. Hold on 1 second. So if we have an aim column, then we do... When the command is down, then we do... Down increases my aim. Plus... I think, yeah, this could work. Plus aim. It doesn't know aim yet. Yeah, we have to do everything inside one data frame first, and then introduce a second frame. This is the only way to do it. So if we do like this, for example, aim2 does not exist, right? Well, we'll deal with the depth afterwards. That's probably the next step. So this can be called aim calc. This is a very different thing than solving problems on a day-to-day basis with SQL, because normally the day-to-day stuff is analytical in the sense that I want to track like behavioral data or something. This is so different. This is so different. I can't explain why it's different. It's just very different. That's why it's kind of cool in a way. I don't know if it's good to learn this or practice this, but I think there's no downside to it. So we can take the current aim value that we have from each previous row, which would be lag, and calculate the aim. So down increases aim and up decreases aim. So if we have, let's do a filter here. I just want to see where command like down or command like, I'm just doing this temporarily so that I don't have to think too much. So we can see here all these downs would add to the aim, and basically we do this plus aim, which we need to be tracking via a field. So we do, let me think about this. And this gets written into its own. You're repeating each row adds onto the existing row. So basically you're doing aim plus this every time. But if you do that every time, you need to also continuously add them. Plus the previous row of aim. Plus lag of aim. Would be current aim, basically. Let me get rid of this for a second. So the current aim is 2, 8, 6, 8. This is only the case where it's down. We have to split this into both cases. So command is down, then we do this. And if command is up, then we do this, but we do the minus that plus the previous value. Current aim. Let's see if this is correct. So 2, 8 would be 10. No, that's not correct. It's not correct. This should be 10 here already. So when command is down, then take the current aim, which is 0, plus the split part, plus the previous value. Strange. Is that not right? The lag is always 0. Oh, because aim is always 0. Oh, what? This is way more difficult than I thought. So this doesn't work here. So this is the new aim. And then I could overwrite this in theory. If I do command, do I even need to create this aim table? Now I'm wondering, maybe I don't need to do that. Maybe if I do this as aim, hold on a second. This does the same thing as down, though. Oh, chat. 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 It's very quiet today. Very, very quiet. That's okay. People are lurking, having a good time. Watch people code. So if I do lag of aim as current aim. Yeah, okay. Needs the over. Ian is here, banging your head on the desk. Oh dear. Please don't do that. Don't do that, Ian. It's not good for you. And you need to do aim plus lag. That doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? This should be 10. It goes up one row. 8, 6 is 14. Why doesn't it work here? Aim is essentially 2 here. And aim plus lag. Oh, hold on. Maybe we need a case when. Case when lag aim over is not null, then aim why? I'm missing something, chat. I'm missing something. Because we only have to consider down or up commands. That is why. The aim calculation has to be done without considering the forward command. That's why. So the current aim is null. So when we have to have another condition in here. When lag aim over is null, then 0. All right. This is already looking a lot better. So what we want to do we have a current aim is 0. 10, 14, 14. 6 plus 10 should be 16. Why is that math wrong? It can't reference itself, can it? There's no way for it to reference itself. You're only always taking... Oh my gosh. This is a very difficult problem in SQL. Because how do you persist that value when it has to reference itself? The lag number would increase with each row. This offset would increase by 1 for every row. So if it's cumulative, there is a cumulative -1 that would go forward. That would go forward. What an odd sum of count over.
We're going outside!
That's outside my understanding. I know what it is. It's a count over. That's what it is. I'm using a lag function and I don't want a lag function because that only goes to the previous row. I want to go over all the previous rows. So it's basically the current aim. So if, let's try this again. The aim for every row increases or decreases. And what we can do is do a sum of the aim over, we don't need an order by in this case, and we do rows between unbounded preceding and current row. So basically this is a current aim. And what this does is this just keeps adding the numbers. And that is what we wanted. I wanted basically, well, lag is only 1 row. That's the problem. That's what I was looking for before. And because I want to uppercase this, because it's all code, can I uppercase? Reformat code. Edit. Toggle case. Wonderful. Sum over rows between unbounded preceding and current row. This unbounded preceding basically means it just keeps going up. It goes up to the top of the thing. So we have current aim is this. So we'll call this aim effect. And then we'll do sum aim effect. And the cool thing is we don't need to do that. So the current aim will be 0. Which is fine. It starts at 0. It's not an issue. Now what happens? What happens is, let's read the instructions again. Using this new interpretation, calculate the horizontal position and depth. Depth is increased. So this is now the piece to the puzzle. This is the aim calculation. Depth increases. Interesting. Yeah, Steve, that's SQL's really powerful. It's very, very powerful for data problems. I don't know what the rest of the advent of code looks like, but for this problem, it's very cool. So depth will always be aim multiplied by x. So it will be my current aim forward x. So case when, I can do one line here. These were on multiple lines just to be nice. But when case when command like, I could have split them by now, but it's fine. Forward %, then current aim multiplied by split part command. Now I could have split these out into two columns and I would avoid all this redundant code, but I'm too lazy. That's basically it. I could have done like a data frame up here first to have those two split permanently. like as a table, kind of. So case when command like forward, then current aim plus split part, and as depth. So here you can see depth is 4, and then 30, and then 231. Now I don't know how depth works. A depth of 60. So forward aim is 0, depth doesn't change. Forward adds 8, so produces 40. And then there's another depth which is 20, which increases to 60. Interesting. I'm not sure. After following these new instructions, you would have a horizontal position of 15 and a depth of 60. Multiplying these produces 900. If I do a sum of depth, I do not think that is going to work. The sum of forward as horizontal, that can't be. That depth is huge. There's no way that depth is correct. How do we... I'm confused about the depth thing. It increases your depth by your aim multiplied by x. Ah, no, not your current aim. Huh. Wait a second. This is weird. This is very weird. Select star from aim calc. My current aim here is 51. All of these movements did not change my aim. Forward doesn't change your aim. Oh, Ian. Cool, gang. Do you have a preference? I still need to see what I'm doing. I will recommend being a nerd. How about that? I'll be a nerd for a while. How about that, Ian? Smart. Very smart. I don't know if it counts as cool, but studious. That would have been a good word for words on stream. So I'm confused about something. If you have, it increases your aim and decreases your aim. So basically here, forward, down, forward, down, forward, down, down, down. So down increases my aim. So my aim when it gets to here is 33, which logically means that, hold on, we look at it from this perspective, that at that time my depth will be when it goes forward 7, it will increase my horizontal position by 7, and it increases my depth by my current aim. So the depth is now 231. Ah, so we need to take the last depth value in the row. We need to take the last value in the row. So we need to give everything a row number, essentially. Or we give everything a rank. It's also fine. Oh no, we should give it a row number, because then there won't be any duplicates. What's it called? Row number. Is it fully? Row number, yeah. So basically we have to take the max row number as depth, because the depth doesn't sum, it just gets adjusted. So it increases your depth by, or it just increases the depth. Really? Wait a second. Increases your depth by 2000. So the depth is then something nuts. Really? We have to try this. Hold on. Depth. Calc as. Make another CTE for this. I don't see this going any other way than down, like a submarine. Select star from depth calc. And we do, so this is the full table. We do sum of, eesh, that wasn't very nice. We do sum of forward as horizontal, and then sum of depth as depth. And then we multiply them together. Multiply your final horizontal position by your final depth. Okay. There's no way this is right. I don't think this is right. Oh my god. It's right. It's correct. What? No way. Oh my gosh. It's correct. Oh my gosh. Really? That's cool. Okay. Okay. So that's how that worked. The depth increased each time, and the aim just had to be tracked. Very cool, chat. Okay. So I've done two. I've done 2 days in 1 day. Okay. I'm quite happy with that. I think that's pretty cool. So you see there's a time here. That's like today's challenge, because there's like leaderboards for who can do it fastest. Oh no. Oh, that nerd. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was lurking in your stream earlier a little bit. Thank you very much for the raid. How was your stream? How did it go? Everybody knows you. Oh, that nerd. Were you just about to leave? I'm pretty awesome at picking raid targets that are getting ready to run away. Yeah, you were doing this Devember thing. So I was actually doing Advent of Code. I'm glad it went well. I'm actually doing Advent of Code, where I was doing it in SQL or SQL, because why not? Because most people are doing it in, I don't know, Python, JavaScript, etc. So I'm actually quite happy with that. I was just about to push my stuff to the repo and then slowly exit stage right. So yes, Python, Java, JavaScript too easy, or Rust or whatever. I just think this is a little bit more rare. Intriguing is the right word. Intriguing is the right word, definitely. Intriguing is for sure the right word for this. There's just some things that are easier in SQL than others, but you know, tracking something like the current aim, it took me a while to kind of get to the idea of going all the way up the table and tracking the number. So yeah, interesting for sure. Interesting for sure. Git push, yeah, true. Git push set upstream origin date 2. So the thing is, I have been writing SQL for 5 years as a data analyst, more or less, I guess, like in an analytical kind of role. And I love SQL. I think it's a great language. It has like a narrow focus for sure. Like it's not, you know, it's not JavaScript, but because of that focus, it makes it quite powerful. So it's pretty interesting to attack these kinds of exercises with this kind of idea, with this kind of language. All of my exposure has been looking at SQL written by people that probably shouldn't have been using SQL. I've had my fair share of queries too, where I've had to read through 300, 400, 500 lines of SQL, and I do not understand what they were doing. Zero idea. So I'm happy that there are people who are trying to write good SQL. But this is interesting here because, I feel like doing this one now. Maybe we should do one more. I mean, if your viewers want me to do one more, maybe I can try and do one more. I know they each have 2 parts, but I mean, I'm still a bit tired. Friday, I had my 1-year streamiversary, and I streamed for 14 hours. And then on Saturday, I was giving a course, so I also live streamed again. Not on Twitch though, for another 2 hours or so. And so the weekend basically just flew by. Thanks, Edit Nerd, thanks. Yeah, 1 year is pretty crazy. A lot has happened. Good things, mostly. So I'd love to tackle this problem. Dissecting a string. That's the number one, that's like so powerful with, there's a function called split to table, and it creates separate rows for each of these entries. And then you can sum the rows together and things like that. So 10110 is 22 in decimal. It's so cool. I'm really curious about this one. Let's update the code first. So if anyone wants to know, all this stuff is in my GitHub. Do I have a GitHub command? I don't even know. GH? No. I have a GitHub if you want to know the solutions that I used for the first 2 days. Let's do a pull request here. I think it's kind of silly to do PRs on these. I think I should be just pushing to master. This is kind of silly to do branches. I'm just doing best practice, but it's kind of silly on this kind of repo. So yeah, I was gonna head off, but yes, interesting problems are really agonizing because they're so interesting. I think we'll call it there. I think we will call it there. So now I have those two in there. Oh my gosh, I totally I named them wrong. See, I knew I would name them wrong. I knew I didn't look, and now, yeah. yeah. I'm just gonna do this quickly because it's gonna annoy me all night otherwise. Okay, so I think this is it. Maybe we should even write the readme quick. This is my attempt at the 2021 edition of Advent of Code, and maybe we'll put this in, what is it? It's markdown here, so it's probably like this. Advent of Code, and then the website. Is that valid if we just do 2021? Yeah. Okay. The answers are not included in the solutions here. For each challenge, I downloaded. No! No! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh dear. 2 raids in 5 minutes for somebody who is thinking of leaving.
Wow.
Oh, look at this. Oh gosh. Oh, it's been so long. It's been so long. Oh gosh. How are you? How are you up in Sweden? Welcome, Raiders. I hope everything is going well. Loaf, thank you for the follow as well. Much appreciated. Oh, it's so nice to have. It's like so nice to have, you know, long-time streamers that you watch raid you. It's such a great feeling. Oh, but I'm so torn because I was gonna leave. Oh, no. Proton, AoC is called Advent of Code. How the fuck do I not follow you? You're a terrible person. Yeah, maybe. It's possible. You had to verify yourself. Yes. Protections. This is the stream that never ends. It just goes on and on. My friends, some people tried to run away, but they were not allowed because more raiders came in and made it extra long. Oh, thank you everyone for the follow. This is so nice. So nice. Oh gosh. Thank you to all of you. Thank you, Danny Stem, for sending good vibes. To Epicamox, Danny Stem, Punt Jute, and Cog3D. Thank you very much for the follows. I appreciate it. Yes, throw paper balls. Totally fine. Advent of Code is a challenge. It's a 25-day challenge where each year it comes out. So you can see here, calendar. Each year there's one challenge per day. Oh, fly. Yes. What colors? Blue, green, yellow. Okay, hold on. Blue. I gotta adjust lights yellow. Lights for chat. Okay, so blue, green, yellow. Oh wow, that broke everything. That's bad. You know, Fly, it's always when you do the redemption that it breaks it, you know? And I don't know why it is. Yes, it's almost midnight, I know. Oh, and I'm doing it in SQL. I'm a crazy person. I know. I hope I could catch your stream again soon. We're on the same time zone, so it's very difficult. It's super annoying that it cuts out. That's very annoying. Let me see if I can fix that. I don't know what it was last time. Why am I still awake? Well, because Monday is my streaming day. Sorry, Fly, I'm gonna reject that one. Oh no, Ian, hands on. Oh gosh, okay. I have this redemption and I regret this one now because for this in particular, using tiny hands is going to be so difficult. This is going to be very difficult. Okay. So we need the finger cam. So this is so everyone can see that I'm typing with tiny hands, because otherwise people don't believe me that I'm typing with tiny hands. So fine, we will continue to... Okay. I can use my mouse, but I can't use the keyboard. I can only use the keyboard with tiny hands. So let me just finish writing this. For each challenge, I downloaded the input... I downloaded the input file and imported it into Postgres. Oh gosh. Okay. Imported it into Postgres. Now what? Okay. All of my queries. I'm guessing chat is very quiet because a lot of your raiders might not be able to chat in my chat without verifying themselves. Probably. But I have very bad experience with unverified chat. I'm sorry. It's just very awkward. Also, there's an ad running now. This is like the combination of the worst things. I'm so sorry. This is really not... It's not a good stream. It's not a good stream. Oh. Pretty much everyone is gonna leave now. They get an ad and they're like, screw this, I'm leaving. I'm sorry that the timing is bad. I hope that next time the timing is better, to be honest. He lies. He likes to collect data just like Mitch. This ad is awkward. Which ad did you get, Ian? Why is it awkward? Are written... I do like collecting data, but... written... I'm not really collecting data from my stream. And you're back, Ian. That's great. All my queries are written in... Postgres QL. Oh, this looks wrong. Postgres QL. Capital S. Not sure, I looked away. That's funny. Okay. Advent of code 2021. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's see what this looks like. This is my attempt at the 2021 edition of Advent of Code. The answers are not included in the solutions here. For each challenge, I downloaded the input file and imported it into Postgres. All of my queries are written in PostgreSQL. commit changes. Cool. So we do git pull. Ta-da! All right. So, I'm so sorry. There's like 60 something people here. A lot of you probably can't chat because the security settings of my chat. And I was about to leave, which is like the poorest timing. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say. It's not great timing today. These things happen though. So I don't know if I will continue. I don't know if I will continue to do the Advent of Code challenges. But I'll probably take a look at them again. I think it could be cool. This third one looks really interesting. Binary diagnostic. It looks interesting because parsing these individual strings with SQL could be super interesting. Definitely. Yeah. You need to use the binary numbers in the diagnostic report to generate two new binary numbers called the gamma rate and the epsilon rate. It just sounds so cool. It's something I never would have needed to do in a normal work environment. I just have never needed to do that before. Oh, chat. I don't know what to say, chat. I'm sorry. I was not prepared to get raided twice at the end of the stream. That's the reality. There's nothing else I can say. I was just not prepared for that. This is like normally, yeah, my streams are normally around the 3-hour mark. So it's very unlikely. It's just very, yeah, it's just bad timing. It's just bad timing. But I will take you all to a really cool stream. How about that? I will take all of you to a cool stream because I think that's the least that I can do for you. How about that? Thank you for sending good vibes, Punt. I appreciate that. So let's transition. We're gonna cut this music. It's awful. We're gonna cut this music. Stay fly. We're gonna do something good, okay? I need to say thank you because I always say thank you at the end of my stream. And basically I say thank you because thank you, Ian, for the 100 bits. I appreciate it. And for throwing paper balls at me. Thank you to TD who subscribed today. That was very nice. I also like to thank all of my new followers because I value each and every one of you. That is Cog3D, Epica Mox, Danny Stem, Hunt, Jute, Loafbone, Encelatosaurus. Who else we got in here? Marshall Mark, In the Reds, Itsy B. Oh, there's a huge list. Holy moly. Nicholas, 1994 Estevao, Alice Cavera, Ruchita Malik, Kalyan 0077, Kanamir, M. Sniryanjan. I'm sorry, I'm butchering these names. Ankur Mohal, Abhishek Parmar 9000, Ali Coder Maker, Nirav Bhagat, Nikhil Madan. Thank you very much for all following. It's very appreciated. We are going to go raid someone from the name. You might think this is a very bad decision, but it's a very good decision, I promise you. We're going to go raid Trash Dev. Trash Dev is super cool and super fun. And just started streaming 10 minutes ago. So everybody say hello to Trash for me and see you next time. Bye-bye.